I am JBN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava. Today I will from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I will discuss orthogonal trajectory. What is orthogonal trajectory? If for each fixed value of C real such that f x comma y comma c is equal to 0 represent a cone in xy plane, and if for value of c it represents infinitely curves, then the collection of these curves is called the family of curves. Procedure to find orthogonal trajectory in Cartesian form. First, differentiate the given equation and remove the parameter. Thus, the differential equation of the given family of curves is obtained. And the second number, now we replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy. Now solve the differential equation and obtain the required equation of the orthogonal trajectory. For example, find the orthogonal trajectory of the following. First number, y is equal to ax square, and second, ax square plus y square is equal to 1. Given y is equal to ax square, now differentiating with respect to x, this is dy over dx is equal to 2ax. This is second. Now remove the parameter a with the help of say first and second. Then this will be dy over dx is equal to y on x. Now replacing dy over dx by minus dx upon dy. This is minus dx upon dy is equal to 2y upon x. Now variable is separable. Then integrate. So we find x square plus 2y square plus c square is equal to 0. This is the required equation of orthogonal trajectory. Solution of second, given ax square plus y square is equal to 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, that is 2ax plus 2y is equal to 0. This is equation second. Now from first and second, eliminate a. This will be 1 minus y square plus 2yx dy over dx is equal to 0, or minus 2yx dy over dx is equal to 1 minus y square. Now dy over dx replacing by minus dx upon dy, so minus 2yx minus dx upon dy is equal to 1 minus y square. So finally, by variable and separable, we can write 2x dx is equal to 1 minus y square upon y dy. Now integrating, then this is x square is equal to log y minus y square by 2 plus c square by 2. That implies x square is equal to log y minus y square upon 2 plus c square upon 2. This is x square plus y square upon 2 minus c square upon 2 is equal to log y. On solving, we can write y is equal to k e to the power 2 x square plus y square whole upon 2. This is the resultant orthogonal trajectory equation. Now orthogonal trajectory in polar form. This is the working rule. Differentiate the given equation with respect to theta and remove the parameter. Now replace r d theta over dr y minus 1 by r dr over theta. Now solve obtaining equation and find the required result. For example, find the orthogonal trajectory of the curve r to the power n is equal to e to the power n cos n theta, where e is parameter. Given r to the power n is equal to e to the power n cos n theta, this is first. Now differentiating with respect to theta, this is nr to the power n minus 1 dr upon d theta is equal to minus e to the power n sine theta into n. This is second. Now remove e to the power n from first and second. So this can be written as minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta is equal to tan theta, or minus r dr theta by dr is equal to cot n theta. But r d theta by dr replaced by minus 1 by r dr over d theta. So this can be written as minus of minus 1 by r dr over d theta is equal to cot n theta. Now variable and separable, 1 by r dr is equal to cot theta d theta. Now integrating both sides, then log r is equal to 1 upon r log of sine n theta plus log c. On solving, this can be written as r to the power n is equal to c sine theta. This is the required orthogonal trajectories for the given equation. Thank you.